All right. Can y'all still hear me? Cool. All right. Yeah. So what I was saying, you want to get to a point to where you still use educators, but you take what they say and compare against what you're confident in terms of your own analysis. Last week we started looking at the DXY, and I mentioned the fact that the DXY was in a strong downtrend. I also mentioned that theoretically, because the US dollar was getting weaker, anything where the dollar was the primary pair theoretically should have been bearish. So the DXY continued in that downtrend. And let's look at pairs where the US dollar was the first currency. Look at USD CAD, follow right along. We had a little bounce up to the upside and then it fell back again. Same thing with USD Chef. Look at that. So these are just fundamentals. Just fundamental stuff. So looking at the DXY again, we may get a push up into these areas, but I believe that it will continue to push down towards the downside. So we'll use that framework for everything that we talk about going into today. I'm gonna start with US 30. I want to show you all something on this as well. So I was marking up US 30. I was looking at it. I want you all to pay attention to something. If we take a ruler, moving through these different zones, watch. From here, you can go to the top, that's fine. It's around 1,270 pips, give or take. Take that same ruler, we do that again. Look at that, it's around 1,200 pips. We take that same ruler, we do that again. Look at that, it's around 1,100 pips. So we use that same framework, that same technique. We take the ruler, we go from this zone, mark it up to about 1,200 pips, give or take. So I anticipate the US 30 following the same pattern it generally always follows. I don't know if you all remember, I said the market in many cases moves in increments, quarters, 250s. US 30 moves in increments of 250s as well, but 1,000 is 4 250s. So if you just find little things like that in whatever you trade, find the little nuances, it will assist you in becoming a consistent and profitable trader. I didn't even measure this one, so let's just see. That's a big one. Oh, here we go, the breakout. Let's see. Yep. So add little things like that to your arsenal. It doesn't have to be what I do. Find your own strategies, your own techniques, and apply them consistently. Test them. So here's my US 30 markup. I'll drop this into the chat. German 30, remember we marked up the targets and it completely smashed the targets. So I will start over. Here was the breakout. Here's the new breakout. Retest. Using the fibs along with pivots to find potential targets. New buy zone. New target. This is on the daily. Let's drop to the 4. Perfect. This will be a sell zone. Give me 1 second, y'all. My apologies. Give me 1 second. All right, back. Let's go back. German 30. So buy zone right above where it reached. Target is this new level based on the fib. Sell zone is where it broke out. And then we take targets going down. Let's do this again. Peak drop. Right here. Potential target. Perfect. There's German 30. No, it's absolutely smashed the targets. This is my new one based on today. So perfect. Good day, Emmeline. There we go. Sell zone is actually right there. Target. Target. Sub drill. If you drop down to the hourly, of course, you can take targets between my initials. I like trading NAS indices on larger time frames. Less anxiety for people who panic on pullbacks and stuff. NAS. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. That's the buy. That's the sell. Target. Notice how I'm always telling you guys to pay attention to the what I call pairs, the opposing pairs. Look at what happens at every opposing pair. Have to start paying attention to little things like that. Every opposing pair. So going up. I think it will come back to retest this area. If it already hasn't, based on the closed markets.
Which area though?
Where the buy zone is. I think it'll come back to retest that. SPX. I don't know if y'all remember, but we had this as a breakout zone, and look what happened. Have to be patient though. Most people don't succeed at this stuff because they're impatient. They want everything to happen on their time instead of when it happens. We don't control the markets. You just play the hand that you're dealt. Target. Sell zone. Look at head and shoulders. So we might get a rejection here. Have a little head and shoulder play. Right there. I would like to see gold come back around in these areas right in here. Oh, silver. Thank you. Yep, silver. Gold probably looks the same. Yep. Look at that. Identical. So we could break out here, or it could come back to retest and then shoot up. So let's see. If it breaks below this is a sell zone. Silver. Gold. Almost identical. This will become a sell zone. See if it retests here. Little head and shoulders. So see if it comes up and drops. Just pay attention to this area right in here. Breaks below, sell to the first target. Rejects, buy it up. First target, second target right in here. Third. Fourth. I like GBP, JPY just as it is. Hit those targets. Drop. Came back. I think it will continue to drop. Same targets right on the money. Let's see what we have going forward. This will be a buy zone. That will be a target. It's actually a sell zone now. Don't want to be greedy. Yep. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that again. All right. I like that. AUD. I like this still as it is. AUDJPY. AUD Chef was on the money. Smoothies down. They all are. Appreciate it. That's daily. All right. Let's bring this buy zone right here. No, that's not enough for me. Right there. Notice I'm targeting doubles. The pairs I keep telling you all about. That's where all the action takes place. Right here. AUD Chef. There you go. On the way to the target from the sell zone. I think that's going to keep going. So I'll leave it as it is. I'll change the targets right there. Buy zone now. We can bring down. Right on the money. Right in there. JPY. I think the this USD CAD is going to continue to shoot down where it is right now. So if you haven't gotten in, your sell zone is right there. Buy zone is right in here. Doubles. Targets. Look on the daily. I like that. See how we look on the weekly. There we go. Right here. I think we're going to get a little rejection around here where I have this area of interest to push up, and then you can sell it back down. Right here. Same on USD JPY. I believe we'll get a push down into these areas. We'll get a rejection to retest and then a push further down. For my Ripple traders, I hope Ripple hits $1.60 this week. XRP. I already had Bitcoin marked up. All right, anybody have any questions or want to look at anything else? None?
No, I was going to ask you to add Ripple today because you didn't have it last week, but you just covered it.
Okay. Monica, what's the other one you trade? Is it
Me?
Yeah.
US 30. Nice.
Oh, I already had those.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else going once? Going twice?
Oh, Euro USD.
That's it. All right. Let's look at that one. Downtrend. Already retested here. Next areas right in here. Template sell. It's retesting these areas to push down. So if it comes back up, I will put a sell limit around this area. And I would sell it down. So we're looking at potentially 290 pips. Of course, you can break it up along the way. Yep. For me to buy, it would have to break above this area. But it formed a higher high, and that's forming a lower high. So I think it will continue down to the downside. If it breaks below this, your next area is way down here. So my buy zone would be right here. And then I will be targeting these highs. So there we go.
Thank you, Doc.
You're welcome. That's my time. If y'all don't have any questions, we are going to have a great week this week. If you trade HFX, remember we do a live session on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And hopefully I will see most of you in Atlanta next weekend. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all soon.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Thank